Hey guys, this is Christy from myChameleon. We are very excited today because we're going to show you a brand newly launched brand in Malaysia called Gaston Luga. So Gaston Luga is from Sweden, Stockholm, Sweden. And they have very nice design bags. Like this. All different bags comes with the individual box packaging like this. And this is their website, www.gastonluga.com. So the backpack that we received today is called Spläsh. This model is for 13-inch laptop. The material that they use is polyurethane, PU leather, which is also called vegan leather, man-made leather. This is waterproof. The material is waterproof. Yeah, this is the backpack. How it looks, the overall look. So in front they have two quick access side pockets. Usually front pocket you can put in your hand sanitizer, your wet wipe tissues, your shopping grocery bags, the recycle bag. And if you see up close in detail, yeah, this is a water repellent, waterproof zipper. How to tell if this is a waterproof zipper? Usually you don't see the tiny little teeth exposed. So this is covered up using the tape, the fabric tape alongside to prevent from water splashing or rainwater. Yeah. So in front, down here is their brand engraved on top, Gaston Luga. And the straps they use is rubber, a very smooth rubber with the metal coated hook to fasten the bag. So let's see what is inside. So here in front you have a front pocket, a zipper pocket, and compartment for your laptop up to 13-inch. And this is their main compartment. Seems quite roomy. Yeah, with the lining, black color fabric lining inside. Return to the back. Okay, this is the shoulder strap. Seems quite thick, very soft, very comfortable. And the back, this is using mesh fabric for better ventilation. The shoulder straps, they are both adjustable. As you can see here, you can also wear it like this to roll up the top here for different look, different design. This bag actually comes in 6 different colors. If you would like to know more colors, you can check out our website at www.mychameleonstore.com. And now let's see what is the exact measurement for this bag. So this is about 28 centimeters wide. And approximately 39 centimeters long. Usually I will measure the base here to get more accurate measurements on the thickness of the bag. So this is about 11 to 12 centimeters. Okay. So according to the website, this material, the PU leather, is waterproof. So let's do a little test, a little water test on this bag. Yeah. See how the water drips so fast, like this. And how do you clean up? It's just using a tissue paper, a kitchen towel, and wipe it off. And it dries instantly. See? Very easy to clean up. Okay, usually you can wear this bag to work, to attend class, to go travel. So for me, I would probably bring this to work. So usually I will bring a 13-inch laptop and an iPad and some small little bags to carry my essentials like my mouse, my charger, my power bank. So let's see how it fits. So this is again a 13-inch MacBook Pro. You can see how it fits nicely, and still a little bit of room at the side. And not forgetting my iPad. This is a 9.7-inch iPad. And then my charger, my essential bag, very important. And of course, nowadays I like to bring a water bottle with me. At the side like this. My wallet. For easy access, I will put it inside the side pocket here. So this is how it looks. Of course, you can still fit in many other stuff here at the side, but this is usually what I bring to work. Okay. And for in front, the side pockets here, I can put in my hand sanitizer, my wet wipe tissue, my UV sterilizer pen, a must-have. We're also selling it now. You can sterilize anything, your utensils, your tools. And this is my shopping bag. Just put it in and zip it up. We can wear it both ways, either like this, the flat, or we can roll the top like this to give it a different look, different feel. Isn't it gorgeous? They also have snap buttons here, so you can also fasten this up in case if it rains. You can fasten it both sides here. A very chic and clean look. So if you like this bag, you can check out more details on our e-commerce website, www.mychameleonstore.com, or you can leave us a message in our comment section. Thanks for watching and have a very nice day. See you!